Now we are going to create a new method. This time we'll call it public function sticky text, and we're going to pass field, parameter, and value, which by default will be null. Okay, now we have if this is post field, so if it's been post, return strip slashes. We're going to use, and we get this get post field. Else we return, if it isn't empty, the value, return a value, otherwise we return null. So basically, if the form has been submitted with this specific field in, then obviously we return the value of it after stripping all the slashes. Otherwise, if it hasn't, then if we passed any value as a second parameter, if it wasn't empty, then we display this value. Otherwise, we display nothing. Okay, so this is sticky text. If we go to our checkout.php, now we need to apply this method. So we use our object form object. Let's move this value on a new line and opening PHP tag, echo object form sticky text, and we're only going to be passing one parameter because this is the new form for the new records. So the name of the field, which in this case will be first name. Later on we will modify this form because we will have to add the value as well populated from a database, but that's in the following videos. So for the time being, let's copy all this. Again, value on a new line. This time the name of the label will be last name. Copy the whole thing. Value on a new line. This time we'll have address 1. Copy. Value this time address 2. Copy. Value town. Copy again, we go to county. No, parameter will be county. Copy again, postcode. So postcode, country already has it because it's coming from the method. Then we have email address. So email as parameter. And that's all done. So if we go back to our form, refresh, it resends the data. If we put anything here, let's say Sebastian Selinski, hit enter, next, these values stay inside of the form itself. Now, one thing, why did we use strip slashes? If I put, let's say, quote here, single quote, and then Selinski's, let's say, it all stays fine. But if I remove strip slashes from our method sticky text, save it, go back and refresh, obviously we start getting backslashes. So if I refresh again, we get we don't get, yeah, we get a few more as well. So this is why we use strip slashes here, to avoid this kind of situations. So if I remove this, hit enter now, obviously it stays without any backslashes being added. Okay, let's move to the next video when we're going to start looking at the validation.